So this is where the magic happens, where the rubber meets the road in resale. She goes through all this stuff at the bins and brings this giant mountain of things and then curates. What the hell are you doing, Megan?
I'm going over everything because I can't really see out there as well as over here, and I can take a minute and look through. Like, there's some pilling on things, but I look and say, okay, I can fix that. It also helps me take a note of everything I need to do. So this is a 1X Rachel Zoe. It's in perfect condition hoodie, so that's a yes. So I move it to the yes pile. Tim, you found this one. This is a vintage Abercrombie and Fitch, like beautiful oversized sweater.
I have quite a good eye, Megan.
You do. So that is a yes, absolutely. So I'm just going through and making a pile,
Yes
and then
pile,
rejecting
no
down
pile.
here. Yeah.
Keepers,
Yeah.
still to go through. All right, well, this is how Megan makes sure that everything she holds up on a show or lists in her closet is absolutely perfect and something that she...
See, like this is so cute far away because of the tie-dye, but when you get closer, it's got a lot of pilling. And since it's an all-in-motion Target brand, it's harder to fix that because they use too many materials in their mixture of materials. So 100% cotton, yes, you can shave that up super quickly. But once you get down in the weeds, it gets harder to fix. This is a pink, it's got bell bottoms, it's definitely vintage, so I'm gonna get that one because you can cut these up, make them, you know, shorts or whatever, so there's really no bad downside to that.
This is essentially like curating, right? You're taking...
Yeah, I mean,
you're going through a place...
is to go through, find really amazing things. They trust my style, presumably.
Say goodbye. We're getting reprimanded.
Oh, yeah, you're not allowed to have media in here. It's okay.